TIS Puchong, caring for the environment isn't just a subject taught in school, but a way of life on campus. This past week, we participated in Eco Week by tackling global challenges and doing our duty to save the environment's beauty. We are encouraged to think about the environmental changes faced by other countries. Each secondary classroom was given a designated country, where students researched on ways the country can reduce its negative impact on our planet. We learned to say no to waste by having a zero waste picnic. We want everyone to understand that it is possible to reduce the amount of waste going into landfills. TIS Puchong also participated in Earth Hour, which focused on one iconic action: switching off the light. Earth Hour is a symbol of strength in collective action to say no to wasting electricity. With the right step in the right direction and a little bit of time, we can make the Earth a better place together.